This is going to apply to 2005 and up Frontiers. I think it doesn't apply to 08 and up because it's a different type of switch, but this is for 05 and 06 Frontiers, the oil pressure sensor. So I'll show you what problem I have right now. You can tell my oil pressure is just pegged on high. So we're gonna fix that today. You're gonna need a light, some gloves, some brake cleaner, a 24 deep socket or an open-ended wrench, some high temperature thread sealant, and the sensor itself. This is from O'Reilly's. This is a 3-wire, so this is for the trucks that have an oil pressure gauge and an oil pan to catch any extra. The VQ40DE Frontiers, the oil pressure sensor is on the oil pan with this wire harness, and it's right next to the drain plug. So from the drain plug, go up forward toward the front of the engine, and it's right there on the passenger side. You just gotta unclip it and use a 24mm socket to take it off. Move the old one, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty much the same, but it's just not working. And this is the new one. So I'm gonna apply some thread sealant and just thread it in by hand first, and then torque it to spec. I reinstalled the pressure sensor. Make sure you add some thread sealant and torque to 11 foot-pounds, and make sure you reconnect the harness, and let's test it out. Okay, key on, that's a good sign. It's on low and it's working, so it shows the correct pressure. You can test it with a little rev and see it goes up a little bit, so it's working good now. Alright, thanks guys for watching. See you next time.